Howdy folks, this is how I do a cool trippy motion blur effect inside After Effects. New composition, these are my settings. Okay, gonna drag and drop my cool clip in of my braided model, and then I'm going to apply an effect called CC Force Motion Blur. Just drag that on. Gonna keep the blur samples to 8, the shutter angle to 3000. The more you ramp it up, the more sort of trippy it's gonna be. Shutter phase, gonna do that to 6. Then I'm gonna apply a fast box blur. Blur radius to 2, iterations to 6. And then I'm actually going to click this motion blur button down here. If you don't see it, just toggle the switches here. Then I'm going to right click, go time stretch 80. And voila,